Hey there and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this previous part we are installing Django in our local system, and in this tutorial we are designing this whole page. So this one is the home page and this one about and this one the contact page. Okay, so let's go to the ID and design it. Okay, so we are creating two folders here, aesthetic and the templates. Okay, so we already create our project using Django admin in command prompt. Okay, we are creating this project in our previous tutorial, and inside this project we created two folders. So first one is aesthetic and another one is the template. So this aesthetic folder actually contain all the picture and the CSS file, and inside this template we are going to put all the HTML file. So there is the aesthetic folder. So inside this folder there are all the files or the picture, and inside this template, okay, this one, the HTML file. So we are creating first file HTML. So we need to create two folders, not a two folder, actually two files of the HTML, because inside this, okay, you can see here one for home, another one about, and another for contact. Okay, so we are using the Bootstrap framework. So let's go here Google and type get Bootstrap. So this is the official website of the get Bootstrap. So go to the docs and copy the starter template here. Starter template, where is it? Okay, copy it from here and paste it from here. Control P and save it. Let's say Control S and copy the file path and go to the browser and paste it here and check it. You can see here hello world. Okay, so this one, the hello world. Go here, hello world. So if I changing this one, let's say in knowledge doctor, Control S and check it and reload it. Knowledge doctor. So now we have to design our navbar. So inside this Bootstrap they have a navbar. This one building. Okay, we don't need to do anything else. Navbar, yeah, navbar. So which one? Okay, this one. So we're going to copy it and paste it here. Okay, let's say let's remove it. Okay, this one. So Control S and check it here. Yep, our navbar is ready right now. So we need to delete this one. Okay, so let's check it from here. Okay, so let's remove this one, BG light, and let's say knowledge doctor. Okay, and let's say home, and this one about, and let's remove all the lines here. Okay, this class, let's remove all the line. Okay, so disable, I think let's move it, enable here. Okay, so let's say disable and the contact. Okay, this one, save it and check it right now. Yep, so knowledge doctor, home, about, and the contact. Okay, so search box, and we need to put here a logo here. Okay, so we need to create, so you're using this logo.png from the static file. So template, go here. So let's create another, let's say, okay, so inside this or again. Okay, so image source, so source should be the static folder. We are going to the static folder, and image should be the logo.png. Save it and check it right now. Okay, yep, so bigger, so we need to do some style. So that's why you have to create a style sheet in our static folder. Control S, style.css. So now we need to connect this CSS file. in our HTML file here. Okay, so let's say link and the href link static and the style dot css. Okay, so let's define a class of this image. So let's say class equal logo. That's how you are going to access it by our css file. Okay, logo. So let's initial our body. Let's say body margin 0 and the padding 0. So logo we are using dot button because we are using class, not id. If you're using class, if you're using id, you need to put here slash. Okay, not slash, actually hash. Okay, so logo, so we define the width of the logo, let's say 14 pixel, and the height of the logo, let's say 14 pixel. Control S and check it. Control S and check. Yep, that's done. Okay, so this one is done right now. So we need to put here this one also. So let's create. So this is with class ul neighbor and the collapse. So we are using this one collapse. Okay, let's copy it from here. Control C and dot this one. Okay, so let's say do some margin of the padding. So let's say padding, let's say left, or let's say 50 pixel. I don't know, man, sure or not. Pixel, yep, not so good. We need to, so we need to increase this one. Okay, let's say 100. I don't know if it's working or not. Yep, not so good. Okay, right now, let's say 300. Yep, right now it's okay. Okay, so our navbar is ready now. So now we have to design these pages, this text and this cool button and this picture. Okay, so now we have to split the screen by the two part. Okay, so we are using the what do you call css, not a css, actually bootstrap class. Okay, so let's go here, and this is navbar, or you can put here a header link, header. Okay, let's say header class, header. Okay, not header. So this is our header part. You can also do some commenters. So header, okay, so navbar. Okay, so this is our navbar, and let's say and navbar comment. Okay, so now we are creating our main menu, main part, or let's say main menu, or you can say body block. Okay, let's say main menu. Okay, so and main menu. Okay, so let's create a div class container. Let's say container, and let's create another div for class row. So remember, it's the bootstrap class. Okay, we are using this one, and inside this we are going to do another class. So this class should be the one that call, what do you call algae. Algae should be 6 because we are splitting the two part 6, and the call empty. That's this one 6, so this one be 12, and let's as it is. Okay, and copy it from here. Control C, Control V. Let's say hey there hey, and let's say hi. Control S and check it. Is it working or not? Yep, it is splitting the screen the two part. Hey and hi. So now we are putting the image from this side and the text from this side. Okay. So let's minimize it and use the image tag image, and the source should be static, and my picture should be dab.png. I didn't know dab.png. Okay, dab.png. Okay, so control S and check it. Yep, this pay okay. This picture is loaded, but it's out of the range of the pages. Okay, so we need to responsive it using image fluid class. So let's put here another class. Okay, class image fluid. Control S and check it again. Yep, right now okay. So we need to do this one also, this call button and this taxes. Okay, so let's create another class inside this one. So let's say this one should be the title text. Okay, so that's a class title text. So first one, the hi or I am. Okay, hey. Okay, so let's say hey. Oh, not a hey. Actually, we are using h1 tag. It's better. I think it's much bigger. Okay, much bigger. h1 history, using history. Okay, so title tags we are using history tag, and let's say hey, and let's say using the bigger one. My name is Dhar. Let's say using history tag. Let's say senior web designer. Not a Django, not a Django. I'm not web designer. Web designer. Control S and check it. Oh, not this one. Yep. Hey, Mishu and senior web designer. So, oh, let's make it uppercase using this Bootstrap class. So class, let's say text uppercase. Yep. Let's copy it from here and all the make uppercase. Control S. B. Yeah, and save it and check it working or not. Yep. Hey, Mishu and senior designer. Oh no, it's not small. So let's remove it from here. Okay, so right now it's okay, and let's say it's a class. So title text. Okay, this one make the title text. Okay, so this one the title text. Let's remove it right now or not. Let's make the deep. Okay, and we are also adding a button here. So this one is the button. So let's make another div. Okay, we are using another thing. Let's say button. Let's say side button. So we are also using the Bootstrap class. Button class should be button primary button, and the button should be margin sum. Okay, and the text should be uppercase. Text uppercase. Okay, and let's copy this one. No need to do all the things. Primary button not. You're using this class, just this one. and let's say her me and I get city. Okay, check working or not. Yep, two button. So okay, hire me and the get cv. So now we need to make some hover effect and also changes the background color. So that's where we are going to use a css. So let's see your copying this button class and go from here dot button, and let's say color you're using smoke color. I don't know it working or not. Yep, okay right now, but the yep okay, but the button height should be bigger. Okay, color. Okay, so let's say not a color, background color. Control S and check again. I think font color should be okay. Font color okay. So now we do some hover effect, or let's say white should be white. Let's say 20 pixel, not a 20 enough. 30 pixel. Control S and check. Oh, not so good. We don't need to put here the white. Okay. So let's say as it is. Okay, and do some hover effect here. So let's copy the class and let's say hover effect pseudo class. So hovering, we are changing the background color in some specific color code. So the color code should be 4458 DC. Control S and check. Yep, fine. So now we need to do some padding here. Okay, do some padding and check it. Is it working or not? So this is our whole code, title text and this deep one. So copy this one, title text, and let's remove this one. Okay, let's remove this one. Control S and go dot. We will do some padding, top 20 pixel, and check working or not. 20 pixel is not enough. Okay, I think do some enough. Let's say 100 pixel. Wow, that's not so fine. Okay, so let's say 300 pixel. I don't know it's working or not. 300 pixel is not so enough. 200 pixel, or you can use percentage here. Okay, now quite okay. Let's say not 200. Let's say 1 I don't know, it's the boring things. Okay, right now okay. This one okay. I am Mishu, okay, that's why it's looking so. Hey, I'm Mishu, and check again and see. Wow, that looks so fine. Right now also this one. Okay, same. Okay, so we need to design the about page and the contact page right now. So I think this one okay right now. All is okay in this index page, not in this home page, and we'll go to the about pages. So let's create another folder, another file for about.html. Okay, So we are designing this about page here. Okay, so this is the about page. We are copying it here, not a copy. So we are see here the navbar is as it is same. So we are using Django control system to using our Junior template to make as it is. Now right now we are designing this part, not a navbar actually. We are designing just this about page. Okay, so this one and this one. So this one should be the two part split in the two skin. So it is in the previous code in our home.html. So let's copy not this one. We are going to copy, okay, copy this one, copy, and go to the about.html. So let's copy all the thing here. Okay, Control C, Control B, and remove the navbar part. Okay, navbar part, and changes some here. So we need to change some from this part. So let's say this one. Hey, I am Mishu, and we need to change this senior web developer. This line to copy all the line from here. Control C and the paste from here and check again. Okay, so we are going to use copy the file path and go to the another path and the paste and check. Yep, here I am Mishu Chandu, and hire me. We need to remove this two button here. Check it and remove this deep part. Okay, so now we need to change also the picture name. So my picture can do dot jpg. Okay, and check. Yep, right now okay. So you need to make this rounded. So you're using the Bootstrap rounded class. Okay, so Bootstrap rounded circle. Control S and check. Yeah, rounded right now. So but you need to do some padding here. Okay, I think we need to do. So let's copy the class and make it something. Let's say contact title. Okay, and copy it from here. Control C and go to the CSS file dot and do some padding top. Let's say 150. Control S and check it. Oh, not this one. I think I'm not saving this file. Contact. Okay, we need to do contact title, contact padding top. Okay, let's save all the file and check. Yeah, right now it's okay. Okay, so now we need to design our contact page. So we are using this template from Bootstrap. So go to the from page. From where the from okay, so we are using the Bootstrap from here. Okay, I think my laptop is charge is not quite okay. Let's charging it. Okay, network is so slow. Where's the from, man? The cart alert and content, the content from, yep, from here, from control, and copy this one. Okay, and let's create another folder for the font for the contact, man. Contact.html, and let's say I need to copy paste and it also copy all the code here, Control A, Control C, and the contact.html, and paste all the code from here and remove the navbar and the main menu. So and main menu and what is it called, navbar, and copy all the code from where you gone. Copy all the code from here, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. Save it and check working or not. Let's copy the path file, copy file path, and go to, let's move it, Control V and check. Yep, right now okay. So you need to put here a contact us text here. So let's go, and inside label and the label email address, let's make it email address, and let's make it text area your message. Okay, and let's say attack, let's say h1 tag, and let's say contact us. Okay, let's creating some styles in front of this style. Okay, so let's say text alignment center, copy. Yep, contact us right now. Okay, let's make it uppercase. Okay, let's say class text uppercase, save. Okay, fine. Now, so now we need to create another div. Let's say this one, class contact. Okay, and remove it and do some padding here, padding. Now this one, padding, save it and check. Okay, right now, so we need to give here a button. So we are copy from the button from our home.html file. So button, this button, Control C, and go to the contact page, and this div. Okay, label text area, and the div, this one, this is the MBB. So let's be okay, button, let's make it send. Okay, send, Control S and check. Yep, right now. So we need to increase this one. We can do some inline CSS also be okay. Let's style white, let's say 15 pixel, and check. Oh, not so good. I don't know why white is not I think white is not perfect for this. Let's remove it right as it is. Send. Okay, let's copy this contact and go to the CSS file. Let's padding or go margin. So margin, let's say left, and margin right. This one, let's say 15 pixel and the 50 pixel. I don't need working on that. Yep, fine, but we need to do this one. So we need to some spaces here. Let's say 100 pixel, and make it also the 100 pixel. Go. Right now, okay, quite okay, but you need to do this one. Okay, so that's why you had to put So I'm adding a step right now. Let's say 500 pixel and the 500 pixel. I didn't know. So small. So let's make it 300 and the 300. Control S. Flip. Now okay, fine. Okay. So we need to put here this length should be hello or not the about page. So let's change it. Let's say this one home page, home, and this one about, let's say knowledge doctor, copy from here, and also contact page, contact, oh, contact. Okay, this is the about page and this is the home page. Let's make it uppercase. Oh, save it and all the files, save all, and go here. Yep, home or knowledge vector, about knowledge vector, and the contact knowledge vector. So this one. So we are also controlling this whole website using Django. Okay, so then we also connect this button from here, about page and the contact page. Now I am just designing all this part, but in this what do you call, in this Django part, I mean controlling part, we are doing all the coding and connecting all these file one by one, and we also changes in respect to these pages, and you also add a navbar here as it is same like my these pages. You can say about and the contact, all the pages. Okay, and you also add the contact database system in this one. Let's check another line, another Mishu. Well, let's say this one. Hey, how are you? Send it. Okay, and go to the admin page, admin, and check contact. Yep, this one. So hey, how are you? So you are also developing this whole project in the next part. So in the next part should be the more important. So in this next part we are starting the Django from the beginners. That's enough from the beginner, because this was the beginner level project, because you can see just home page, about page, and the contact page. So this one just only for the beginners. Okay, so this is the tutorial. Hope you will enjoy this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never missing update, and stay safe.